Okay, welcome back. Semester 2, we're just getting started on real world math and scale factor. If you remember back in middle school, we had scale factors. Okay, so we just had our lesson, now we got to do our practice. Scale factors, otherwise known as proportions. All right, proportions. So in this case, let's say we had a triangle and a triangle, and we know this is size 6, this is size 9, from 6 to 9, as k goes to 3. One way to write it. So in this case, k goes to 6 as 3 goes to 9. You see how it's 3 times as big? Okay, maybe that'll help you. We can find the scale factor. But if you don't, the mathematical piece, as soon as you have an equal sign, cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. All right, so k times 9 is 9 times k. 6 times 3, 9 times k. 6 times 3 is 18. Undo the multiplication. What's the opposite of multiply? Divide. One over the other. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. And k is 2. K is 2. 6 goes to 9 as 2 goes to 3. You see the factor of 3? See the factor of 3? That's one way to look at it. All right? So we're trying to find the scale factor from 1/3 to 3 over 9. Okay? All right. So 1.5. 1 goes to 1.5. If we went this direction, 3 to 1. All right. Let's try another one. Pause the video. You try the next one. Okay? Pause the video. You try the next one. Okay? Okay. R times 4 equals 6 times 6. All right? So 4 times R is equal to 36. Okay? Undo the multiplication. Divide. Divide. R equals 9. All right. So 9. 9 to 6 is 6 to 4. Okay? Let's do this one together. Okay? Cross multiply. 7 times 7. 6 times 8k. All right, so that's going to be what, 49 and 48k, mathematically speaking. Right? Kind of messy. Divide both sides by 48 so we can get k by itself. K is just an ugly number, right? Leave it as a fraction, that's fine with me. Okay, now let's step it up for you math folks. This is the distributive property, okay? When we cross multiply, 6 times all of that stuff, 2 times the 9. So cross multiply, we're going to end up with to distribute. The distributive property means 6 times all the stuff inside. 6 times P plus 6 times 6. And that's equal to 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay, now the old-fashioned fence. Subtract 36 from both sides. We're happy because we got rid of it. We still have 6 P's. We still have negative 18. Undo the multiplication. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. And P is equal to negative 3. All right. Cool. P is negative 3. All right, now The reason we're doing this is because we want to be able to find places on the planet and draw them. So we have something in miles, but we need it in inches. Scale factor. We got to scale it down. So the first thing is locate the corresponding sides. Okay, so short, short, medium, medium, long, long. Cool. Now, show that the triangle has the same ratio. Okay, so we're going to divide that to that. We're going to divide that to that. And we want to divide that to that. Let's prove it. So in blue, 32 goes to 24. 24 goes to 18. And 20 to 15. And 20 goes to 15. Okay, so divide it out, 1.25. Divide it out, no, that's not right. That's not right. 1.25, 1.33. 20 divided by 15, yeah, 1.33. All right, 1.33. And 24 divided by 18, 1.33. And 32, 24, 1.33. This is known as the scale factor. Okay? The scale factor. So 1 divided by 1.33. Or 1 to 1.33. The key was the relationships. Okay, now you pause the video and you try the next one. Okay, welcome back. Short to short, medium to medium, long to long. You see how they kind of flipped it there. Once you have those, let's do the math. 35 to the 16. 35, 14. 35, 14. Yeah, 35, 14. 35, 14. 35 divided by 14. 2.5. Okay. 30 divided by 12. In the green, 30 short to short. 2.5. And then the blue, 40 to 16. 2.5. Yes. Scale factor. 1 to 2.5. All right? Or you could say, take all these numbers and divide them by 2.5. Okay, let's try another one. We have one more. Oh, bonus problems. You do these, okay, for extra. So what do we got? Short, short, medium, medium, long, long. Always line them up and calculate the proportions in order to get the scale factor. Okay? Don't forget one Matthew session this week, and we'll talk more about this on Thursday. Scale factor, enlarge and shrink. Similar. Is everything similar as we make it bigger and smaller? See you in class on Thursday.